Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today in this video, I bring some latest collection of beautifully decorated ideas of Ikebana Japanese floral arrangements that you would love to create these sort of decorative arrangements for your home decor, that you would love to create these sort of ideas by creating different colorful flower arrangements, combining these flowers into a unique and creative crafty piece. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and love to create them. In this video, I bring some latest ideas of uniquely decorated Ikebana Japanese floral arrangements. People will love to create these sort of unique and elegant ideas by creating different unique concepts using these sort of ideas to their home decorations. It adds up more glamour and beauty to their home decorations. People can create these sort of unique, colorful, flowery arrangement ideas to make their home decorations more pleasant and beautiful. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can pick up any idea from this video to make your home arrangements more beautiful by decorating your party decorations by using these Ikebana and Japanese arrangements. You can use different roses, orchids or lilies to make these decorations more pleasant and beautiful. You can also use grass leaves to decorate these Ikebana floral arrangements in a more beautiful way. You can also use different ceramic vases or ceramic plates to add up more beauty to these sort of decorative arrangements. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries in it. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like my ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and it also encourages me to bring some latest and creative ideas for you. So viewers, I hope you will enjoy this video. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.